to rewrite the following expression using the associative property of multiplication. We are given the expression 4 times the quantity 5 times 6. The associative property of multiplication is the quantity a times b times c equals a times the quantity b times c. The associative property of multiplication involves changing the grouping within a product. Notice in the given product, we have parentheses or grouping symbols around the 5 times 6. Applying the associative property of multiplication, this is equal to the quantity 4 times 5 times 6. Notice here, we have grouping symbols or parentheses around the product 4 times 5. To verify this property is true, let's simplify both sides following the order of operations. We simplify inside the parentheses first. On the left, 5 times 6 is 30. The left side simplifies to 4 times 30. On the right, we simplify 4 times 5 first, which is 20. The right side simplifies to 20 times 6. 4 times 30 equals 120, and so does 20 times 6. Next, we are asked to rewrite the following expression using the commutative property of multiplication. We are given the expression 4 times 5. The commutative property of multiplication is a times b equals b times a. The commutative property of multiplication involves changing the order of a product. Applying the commutative property of multiplication, 4 times 5 equals 5 times 4. Notice both products are equal to 20. Next, we are asked to rewrite the following expression using the associative property of addition. We are given the expression 4 plus the quantity 5 plus 6. The associative property of addition is the quantity a plus b plus c equals a times the quantity b plus c. The associative property of addition involves changing the grouping in a sum. So for the given expression, we have grouping symbols or parentheses around the 5 plus 6. Applying the associative property of addition, this is equal to the quantity 4 plus 5 plus 6. Notice now the grouping symbols or parentheses are around the sum 4 plus 5. Verifying this is true, we simplify both sides using the order of operations. On the left, we simplify 5 plus 6 first, which is 11. The left side simplifies to 4 plus 11. On the right, we simplify 4 plus 5 first, which is 9. The right side simplifies to 9 plus 6. And notice both sums are equal to 15. And for the last example, we are asked to rewrite the following expression using the commutative property of addition. We are given the expression 4 plus 5. The commutative property of addition is a plus b equals b plus a. The commutative property of addition involves changing the order of a sum. Applying the commutative property of addition, 4 plus 5 equals 5 plus 4. Notice both sums are equal to 9. I hope you found this helpful.